and a very warm welcome to Bharata First. I'm Frank Rausen Pereira. This is FRP Explains. First, let me inform you about Bharata First Knowledge Center, a learning experience like none other and will transform the way you gain knowledge. It will not only help you in your competitive exams journey, but will help you in life itself to make you a better Bharatiya. Please go to kc.bharatafirst.com and register now. There's a limited period early bird offer. Make full use of it. Since you're here, please like the video, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and then all notifications, and do share the content as well so that more people get to know about it. Well, there was a very serious incident that took place in Kolkata on Wednesday where TMC MP Mimi Chakraborty was duped by a fake IAS officer, a man posing as the Joint Commissioner of the City Corporation of Kolkata invited the actress cum MP for a COVID-19 camp, and she went there because she said that it was in good spirit, and without doubting she went there and wanted to participate and encourage more people to come to the camp as well. So she herself sat down and got a jab, and she was one of the first few ones to get it so that others too could follow suit and more people would be encouraged to go to the COVID-19 vaccination camp. When she later on realized that she didn't get a message for the vaccination that she took, she asked the organizer, what happened? Why haven't I gotten the message on the phone? So he said there is some technical issue and she will get the message later on. Then she asked about the certificate. She didn't get that as well, but she just went away, but she grew very suspicious. So she got her team to check back later on, and they realized that nobody was getting the message and nobody was getting a certificate, and this person just kept giving the jabs. So her team then complained to the police, who started investigating into the matter and then arrested this man because he was using a fake identity card. He is no IAS. He has been identified as Mr. Debjanan Deb. I can't get his name correctly right now. Apologies. But yeah, so he was arrested by the police. And after that, it was revealed that this was not the first camp like this that he had organized. He had organized another camp a few days ago for auto rickshaw drivers in Kolkata, posing as an IAS officer. He had a car with a blue beacon on top of it as well, to go along with the fake identity card. Now, this is a very serious issue and needs to be looked into. Where did this man get around 200 vials of COVID-19 vaccines from? How did he start conducting the vaccination drive after that? What is the motive behind it? These are some aspects that need to be looked into, because this is a serious crime and a very serious issue. We cannot have people running around like this doing these kind of things. We need to ensure that this does not happen again. There was another similar incident, not of this magnitude, but another man posing as an IAS officer in Delhi was arrested a few days ago, and his capacity is something else. I mean, he called the Samsung showroom saying that he's an IAS officer and he would like to pick up a mobile phone, keep the mobile phone ready for 1,40,000 rupees is what he said. And then he went there, and when he went to pick up the mobile phone, the showroom, Samsung showroom, had informed the police because they grew suspicious about it. And when the police arrested him and they found out that he is a fake IAS or a quack, so then immediately they arrested him. So this is doing the rounds. This is not just one-off incident. There are many such incidents that have come to light, and clearly it shows that how people are trying to make use of the power of the civil service and want to do these kind of things. And there are many people who fall prey to this as well, like the MP herself, Mimi Chakraborty. If an MP can fall prey to dubious characters like this, anyone can. So we need to be vigilant, we need to be aware, and really focus, keep our eyes and ears open whenever we go out, and anything we partake in, better to always check and not get duped in this way. With that, it's a wrap on this edition of FRP Explains. If you like the content, please like the video, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and then all notifications. Let me tell you about Bharata First Knowledge Center as well, a learning experience like none other and will transform the way you gain knowledge. Go to kc.bharatafirst.com and register now. Make use of the limited period early bird offer and transform the way you learn. We also have our UPI IDs here for those of you who would like to come forward and make a contribution. A small contribution that you make will be a giant leap for us to keep bringing you this content. In case you have trouble with the UPI IDs, you can click on the link in the description box below and follow the steps. That's it from me. See you again next time.